In this video we are going to create a gradient screen in Flutter. So for gradient, what you have to do is return a container here, and in container you are going to give it a decoration of box decoration, and in box decoration you are going to give it a gradient, let's say linear gradient, and in linear gradient let's say you want to give it a color. So you have to give it two colors. For example, the gradient you want white or orange, for example. So we will give it white and we want to give it dot orange. So what exactly happens is, let's say we want to begin this in linear gradient. This is a property, and we want to align it to start with top right corner, and you want to end it at, let's say, bottom right. So let's reload and check what exactly happened here. You see that the white color is starting from top right area and its alignment ending at the bottom right. What we want is, we don't want this whitish color here. So what we are going to do is we're going to remove this line and reload this, and you see that we have darker orange here and whiter at this side. Now what we want to do is, we don't even want this white color, we just want a light orange above and darker orange below. So what we are going to give it, giving a orange color of 300, and let's give it color, for example, 800, and you see that we have a darker orange gradient and lighter orange gradient formed here. You can easily remove this line here, and you can see the difference. Now it's completely a gradient screen is formed. You can change the color here, we are going to change, and whatever color you want. For more videos, subscribe my channel and like this video.